everyone, welcome to our Minimouse PowerPoint tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to design PowerPoint slide background. So I have pre-opened a PowerPoint with 3 different slides. So we're just going to do a design and background it and format the background as well. So in regards to designing it, I'm going to go under the design tab at the top. And there's a different types of themes on the design tab. So I'm going to choose one which is suitable for this, and we're going to go ahead and design. The first one is I'm going to choose the flow theme and mark it for the 3 slides. There you go. So it automatically changes its design itself. So if you want, you can add 3 different designs or 3 different themes for each slide, or just leave it as one. So in regards to changing each and every slide, I'm going to select the second slide and add a concourse theme to it. So if I'm going to add the concourse theme to this slide, I'm just going to right click on it and go to apply to selected slide only. That will change only the one that I have selected on it. And the third one is going to be the civic theme. Let's go ahead and change that again. Click on the first, you need to select the third slide and click on this civic theme. Right click on it and apply selected slide. Okay. If you want to change the color of the background with the same theme on it, what you have to do is go ahead and click the slide and change color. You can change whichever color you want. So I'm going to go for the office color theme, and this is the office color theme. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a formatted background for the slide 2 PowerPoint presentation. You click the slide 2, go to the background styles and format background. When you go to format background, click on pictures or texture fill. It will give you a new option where you can choose from file. So I'm going to click on the file and I'm going to choose one of the picture which I already saved it on my computer. I'm just going to choose that and press insert, and it will format the one of the slide. If you want to apply this format to all of your slides, you just click apply to all, or if you want to leave it as the second one only, you just click close. So I'm just going to apply to all just in case. So apply to all, and it applies to all, and close it. Okay guys, this marks to the end of our PowerPoint tutorial. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your support.